Hello, Namaste. Welcome to Sayam Yoga. I am Anmol and today we are going to learn a few movements and strengthening of the neck muscles to give you relaxation from your neck pain. So if you have long working hour at the desk or you keep the head too much scrolling the phone, or due to the lifestyle changes, if you feel the pain in the neck, the cervical, or anything that has developed over the period of time, then these few movements will help you relaxed and feel much comfortable with your neck. So these are a 2 minutes movements. So like you need only 2 minutes daily to practice this. Take that time for yourself and strengthen your neck muscles so that you don't feel the pain. Sometimes due to the bad postures or due to the bad posture while sleeping, when the next morning you wake up, you feel a lot of stiffness around your neck. Two things that is majorly plays the role. The first one is the weak neck muscles. So for that we need the strengthening. So we'll learn one exercise that will strengthen the neck muscle, and the second thing is the less mobility, or I say stiffness around the neck muscles. So for that, another few flexibility and mobility thing that we will learn for the neck. So two ways we will going to learn it. First, I am telling you about the mobility in the neck muscles, how you can develop that. For that, you can sit in any comfortable pose you want. Keep the spine straight, neck aligned, chin up, not down, not too high, just at the center. And when you reach here, keep the spine straight, hands in whichever position you are comfortable in. First, we are going to move the neck left to right. So from the center, inhale, and as you exhale, move the neck towards the right side. Try to align your chin with the right shoulder. Even if you're not able to reach, that's totally fine. You should feel just a gentle stretch. And with that, gently bring the neck to the center while inhaling. As you exhale, moving to the left side. Stay here for a breath. And inhale, come back to the center again. We repeat this one more time. Right. Center. Left. And center. Third time. Right. Center. And moving to the left. And center. So we completed for 3 times. You can increase it to 5 times or to the 10 times, depending upon the time you want to give it to the practice. Now the second movement that we are going to do is lifting up and down. So inhale, lift up. As you exhale, bring center and totally down, chin pressing to the chest. Inhale to come back to the center and lifting up. Exhale and come back, dropping down. Round 3. Very well done. Coming back to the center. Now it's the time for the third movement. So for this, you need to move side to side. We need to feel the lateral stretch. So dropping the right ear to the right shoulder. Feeling the stretch. And gently bringing back to the center. Shifting to the other side. Left ear to the left shoulder. and coming back center. Now it's the time for round 2. And change to the other side. Keep feeling the lateral pull, that is very important. All the awareness towards your neck muscles. One last time, we are moving side to side. Move with the breath, that will allow you to give a good stretch in the pull. And coming back center. Well done. So we did the 3 movement, left, right, up, down, side to side. Okay, very well done. Now next what we are going to do is we will be moving the chin forward and back. So if this is your center of the neck, you're going to move the neck forward and back. Do this 10 times to feel the proper mobility of your neck. Now for strengthening of the neck muscle, I'm going to tell you one very important movement. So for that, keep a bolster or a block, whichever is comfortable to you. You can place it. I will place the block and the bolster both to let you see. You can keep a good pillow, cushioning, whatever you feel like, and just try to drop the upper back onto the bolster. Drop down. Once you drop yourself, your upper back there, now your back muscle, your buttocks, everything is relaxing very well, but the neck needs the strength to stay here. Neck cannot stay here without the strength, it will fall down. So we will keep the hands under the head, tying the fingers together. Now we got a good support with the hands and taking the neck back. Taking backward is like the gravity, so you don't need the strength. But when you are coming up, you're going against the gravity and you need the strength of the neck muscles to let the neck come up. So go down, drop it totally and feel the strengthening from the neck and lift it up. Down and up. You can go a little bit more lower so that you don't use too much of the shoulder strength, rather using the neck strength. Building the neck muscles strong so that you don't feel the pull or jerk or injuries over the neck. Once you feel you're quite comfortable with this, you can take off the hands and try to come up and down, up and down, up and slowly come back. Don't do too many unsupported, unassisted movements. Do it with the hands, just 2-3 to charge it up. You can do it without the hands. So that's how we strengthen the neck muscles, and we worked on the movement and the flexibility as well. Make the routine. You can actually complete all this in 2 minutes if you practice properly. So 1 minute you're going to give for the movement of side to side, up and down, lateral stretch, and the other 1 minute to adjust and do this strengthening practice. And in just 2 minutes, you're going to make the neck muscles so strong that you won't feel any stiffness, any pain, any cervical, nothing sort of that. So keep practicing, keep feeling healthy and strong. If you want to join Sanyam Yoga community, drop a WhatsApp message to this number and we will let you know all the details about the private class, group yoga class, free workshops, everything that is happening under Sanyam Yoga community. Also, don't forget to like and share this video to your family and friends. Subscribe to Sanyam Yoga to get more such videos in future. And with that, thank you so much for joining, and I will see you in the next video, in the next practice. Till then, be strong, keep practicing, be healthy. Bye bye.